If you're experiencing connection errors on your Xbox Series X, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issues. This guide will help you systematically identify and fix the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by testing the connection on other devices or running a speed test. If your internet is down, restart your modem and router. Step 2. Restart your Xbox Series X. Power cycle your console to refresh its system. Press and hold the Xbox button on the front of the console for about 10 seconds until it turns off. Wait a minute, then turn it back on. Step 3. Update your console. Make sure your Xbox Series X is running the latest software. Go to Settings, select System, then Updates, and check for any available updates. Install them if necessary. Step 4. Check Network Settings. Navigate to Settings, then Network, and select Network Settings. Ensure that your console is connected to the correct network and that there are no issues indicated in the network status. Step 5. Reset network settings. If problems persist, you may need to reset your network settings. Go to Settings, select Network, then Network Settings, and choose the option to reset network settings. This will clear any saved networks and settings. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve connection errors on your Xbox Series X. If issues continue, consider reaching out to Xbox support for further assistance.